Hello guys, welcome back to Physics Wet. Well, today let us know about on-floating bodies, which is thought to have been written around 250 BC, survives only partly in Greek, and the rest in medieval Latin translation from the Greek. It is the first known work on hydrostatics, of which Archimedes is recognized as the founder. Well, the purpose of on-floating bodies was to determine the positions that various solids will assume when floating in a fluid. Well, there's an interesting story behind floating bodies. Before getting into the story, here I am giving you the steps to you to understand better. I hope you understand it. So now let's roll into the intro of the story. Well, when Archimedes was a Greek scientist, at that time the king had a crown made up of gold. The king, however, suspected that the crown made was not of pure gold and asked him to verify this. He had to solve the problem without damaging the crown, so he could not melt it down into a regularly shaped body in order to calculate its density. So while taking a bath, he noticed that the level of the water in the tub rose as he got in, and realized that this effect could be used to determine the volume of the crown. The submerged crown would displace an amount of water equal to its own volume. So by dividing the mass of the crown by the volume of water displaced, the density of the crown could be obtained. This density would be lower than that of gold if cheaper and less dense metals had been added. Then he took to the streets naked, so excited by his discovery that he had to forget to dress, crying "Eureka!" meaning "I have found it." So thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.